Hello and welcome to my new TouchDesigner project published in Patreon. This project named Stellar Motion. There are two stellars or two pulsars. Maybe it's better pulsars. They pitch it and you can control them through your hands, of course, and in this case through Kinect, but you can also use media pipe or other sensors. I will show you how it works. So basically I have my pulsars here on the screen, and by moving my hands then I can basically control their movement and move them around. Of course both hands are involved in this situation, and of course I can change also the background because I placed a few backgrounds here. So by moving my hands, I can do this, reproduce the effect on other backgrounds, and on the top of that I can also change the colors of my stars. For example, I can use the orange, white, and it can be like, I don't know, these other colors, and you can change whatever you want. And also of course you can change, make it a little bit brighter. So this is the project. I really like the effect, and you can control stars with your hands, and as you move, each pulsar follows your gestures, tracing vibrant paths across the screen, leaving behind a delicate trail of light. The effect I think is pretty cool. It creates a dynamic dance of energy and motion. You have the freedom to customize each pulsar's color and tailoring the experience to your vision. It is a plug-and-play project designed for TouchDesigner. You just need to load TouchDesigner, connect your Kinect sensor, and you can play around with your stars. So it is available for download on my Patreon channel, where you can find a lot of other projects about interactive experiences. So join the community, in the Patreon community, to find more, and you can find all the details about my Patreon channel in the caption. So if you're interested, have a look and subscribe to the channel if you are interested into this kind of projects. Thank you for your attention, and see you to the next project.